Nowadays, we are hearing more about this knee replacement or fluid injection into your knees. So it is quite common. Everyone say about it. I have been recently knee replaced and I have been for the fluid injection. So isn't there any simple procedure from which you can avoid these things? Actually, it is there. So let us know about that one. So our body is having weight. So knees are the weight bearing joints. So if you are overweight, that means that you have to reduce your weight so that your weight bearing joints will be healthy. Second most thing, so the knees are like machine. How you lubricate the machines time to time, day to day. The same way, your knees also requires lubrication regularly to maintain its health. So that is why there is a simple procedure from which you can maintain the lubricity of the knees. So whenever you complete your work, evening at 6 p.m., you have to just take sesame oil or any other Ayurvedic prescribed oils. You have to give a slight massage to your knees and then take a hot water, dip towel in it, squeeze it, tap it on your knee for some time. Just a 5 minutes procedure. If you do it regularly, you can stay away from this fluid injection and knee replacements. So regular massaging to your knees can lubricate the particular joint. The same way how the machines are lubricated regularly, same way the joint should be lubricated, and knee joints are important because they are weight bearing joints. That is why lubrication is mandatory. If you don't have time to go for the full body massage and Ayurvedic treatments, this is a simple 5 minutes procedure which you can do in your home that lubricates your joints and keeps you away from all the arthritis problems and joint related problems. 5-minute procedures, a beautiful remedy for replacing it with knee replacement and fluid injection. I hope you will follow this one. Thank you.